Hi, on this video I want to show you on how to create a slider on Generate block using a Slick slider. Okay, so first you can download the child time from my website gpawesome.com. Here it's free. Okay, also if you don't want to use my child time, you can download the Slick slider here. You can click get it now here and then configure on your time. Okay, just please make sure you include this one, the Slick CSS, the Slick time, the jQuery, and the jQuery migrate loads inputter, also the Slick library load inputter, also the custom JS for the Slick setting. Okay, if you use my child time is already there, so what you need to do is just download this and install it on your WordPress. Okay, let's start. I will create pages here. Post slider. On first example, I want to show you on how to slide on query loop. Okay, I already have a template here. Okay. Okay, then go to the child time. Go to the child time and under GS here, under custom GS, I already have a sample Slick setting here. Okay, what you need to do is change this class into your slide name. For example, I will name it as top slider. Okay, save, and then in here, what you need to do is only need to put class in here under looper. Go to the setting here, add class here, save. Also please make sure on the looper here the display is default. You can do flag or grid slider here, only default display default. Okay, and then I will add more query here, maybe 4. Okay, save, and let's see at the front page here. Okay, this is the result. Okay, this is the first slider. Okay, if you go back to the setting here, you can see have another option here. Also on the Slick landing page here, you can find the setting, more setting here, more option. I mean, you can show the number of slide, autoplay, etc. Okay, that's for the first slider. On the second slider, I want to create a grid slider. This grid slider. Okay, grid slider. Okay, this one. Okay, save, and in the custom JS, copy all this setting here, copy and create another one. Slider number 2. Here. Okay, I will name it as a grid slider. Okay, slide to show is 4. Slide scroll maybe 2, and then on the tablet maybe show 3, and on the mobile show 2 slider. Okay, update, and then copy this one, go back to the query loop in here, in looper here, put a class here. Okay, also on the looper style here, make sure it's the default. If there is an option here, you can delete it. Okay, save, and then add more posts here, maybe 8 posts. Okay, let's see. So this is the slider. Okay, This is the second slider. Okay, and next on the style here, I have a sample setting here. You can play with the arrow, also for the dots. For example, the default setting, the default Slick navigation is like this. The dot is under the slider. For example, if you want to put inside this, I already have a custom class here, custom styles. What you need to do is, for example, you want this slider. The slider name is top slider. You want the top slider dots here is inside the box here. Okay, on the style here, just give the name here 1 2 3. Okay, this the button, the dots is inside the box. Okay, so next example is create a grid slider. Create a slider grid slider. Okay, set the size. Okay, for example, I have a 3, maybe 4. Okay, I'll set the background here. Okay, so what you need to do is you only need to put one class here. Okay, go back again to the custom JS and copy again this one. Okay, slide number 3, box slider. Okay, maybe 3 slider here, 2 slider. Okay, save this one, go back here, and here under class here put the box slider. Okay, let's see. Sorry, we need to set the height. I'm sorry. Sizing the height is okay. This is the slider. Okay, that's it. If you had any question, please leave comment on this video. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on next video. Thank you very much.